sunny Orlando. We are currently at the Hyatt inside the Orlando airport, and we are about to head off to EPCOT. We have a lightning lane later today for Cosmic Rewind. Waiting for the Uber to take us to the Polynesian. Things we can do when we don't have the kids. Mobile ordering at Captain Cook's in the Polynesian to have some breakfast before we head to EPCOT.
I think a mobile order actually.
Tonga toast, breakfast burrito, breakfast flatbread, and then Diet Coke. Heading up to grab the monorail and go to EPCOT. Security at the Polynesian is just a walk through. I didn't have to open my bag or anything. If you have a stroller, you usually have to walk to the side and they'll check the stroller. But then you get on the monorail, then you don't have to go through security when you get to, we're going to EPCOT, but you could also go to Magic Kingdom because it's already been done.
Royal Caribbean.
Arrived at EPCOT. Flower and Garden Festival, opening weekend of Guardians Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Stop for some Joffreys before heading over to Cosmic Rewind. What should I get today? Alright, we ordered the awesome drink, a vanilla latte, iced, and a mango iced tea from Joffrey's, and we're going to test them and let you know what we think.
This is the new awesome drink. It's for the opening of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. I have the ingredients pulled up. It's a galactic blend of frozen lemon ice with a splash of Minute Maid premium lemonade and a dessert pear syrup topped with chewy green apple jelly stars. It's pretty good. It's very, very sweet. I don't think I'd be able to finish all of this. I'll try it again. I got a lot of the syrup. It's very tart. And the gummy stars are actually really good. They taste like watermelon. I would say share this amongst like 3 people because I don't think one human being can get through all of this.
We're in line to go into the store right outside of the ride for Guardians of the Galaxy. It's called Treasures of Xandar. Looks like they have a photo pass spot right now, right in front of the ship for pictures. There's a line there. There's also a line to get into the store. Alright, we're on. Let's do this. I don't know how much you'll be able to see because